The idea of authenticity kind of comes from to refer to a work of art that is an original and not a copy. When we talk about being effective leaders, it is not just about you in a position of influence and authority that you have to manage people, but it's about how we lead ourselves as well and the people around us. What is the percentage of people that trust businesses? On a scale of 0 to 100%, the general trust, and this was a survey that was conducted across different regions, different countries of people of varying levels. And what they have found is that on average, trust in the corporate world in businesses is about 50%. There's this thinking that businesses are out to earn their money and to get more out of them. Now, let me ask you the second question right now. What do you think is the percentage of people that believe business leaders are truthful? What they have found is that only 18%, right? Only 18% of people believe that business leaders are truthful. With public confidence in businesses, with confidence in business leaders eroding and reducing, over the years, right? It is critical that executives and leaders like yourselves, right, come across as genuine and believable, right? Because we are dealing with a problem of trust, right? A trust crisis, right? How do we trust the leaders? How do we trust the business and stuff like that? And that is the reason why authenticity is seen as a touchstone for effective leadership. The idea of authenticity kind of comes from to refer to a work of art that is an original and not a copy. And that is how that whole idea of being authentic comes across, right? That it is real, it is not fake. Being authentic doesn't mean that you can be held up to the light and people can see right through you, right? So that is not what being authentic means. That it is about knowing when to respond in the right way, right? So right time, right place, right thing to say and do.